Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can make your Facebook account private, so it's like really secure. What you want to do first is go right top corner, and first we are going to edit our profile. So see your profile. Next to the add to the story, you're going to see three dots here. Click on it, edit profile, scroll down below, and then you're going to see edit your about info. So my first recommendation is to place lift, sharing with public, go with the private, and everything go only me, right? I'm going to leave it on public, but everything here you want to go with the only me, basic info, relationship, single, only me, family members, only me, right? Religious views, click here and change the public to more options, only me. And when you got it, that's the most important thing, right? Now, this is the first thing that we want to do. The second thing is when you go to right top corner, to menu, scroll down below to settings and privacy, click settings, and right here you're gonna see security and privacy. The first thing you want to click is privacy settings. And now, who can see your future posts? You can go with not public, but only me. Who can see your stories? Custom or hide story from. Who can see the people page and lists you follow? Only me. How people find and contact you? Who can send you friend requests? Friends of friends or no one else, right? Who can see your friend list? Go again, only me. And now who can look up using the email address you provided? Friends. You can again go with only me, everything, right? So this is the first thing. Then you're gonna see the public posts here. And again, who can follow me? Who can see followers on your timeline? Only me. And everything needs to be only me or friends, right? So this is how you do it, and this is how you can secure your account on Facebook. Thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.